Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to this elastic, slightly open work knit that is extremely simple to do, which I've named Joanna after the elderly woman whose channel I first saw it on. Link to her channel I will leave you at the end of the video. A single row and 3 loops make up the knitting. The knitting pattern on both sides is purl 1, make 1, yarn over loop, and purl 2 together. That's the whole scheme. Repeat to the end of the row, purl 1, make 1, yarn over loop and purl 2 together. Purl 1, make 1, yarn over loop and purl 2 together. On the next side, the knit pattern is the same, purl 1, make 1, yarn over loop and purl 2 together. Purl 1, make 1, yarn over loop and purl 2 together. This ribbed elastic open work knit was created as a result of these two similar rows. Because it is identical on both sides, it is appropriate for scarves, vests, and caps. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to see every one of my videos. I wish you inspiration, knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.